Hello, it's Salimik. In today's video, we will be testing and reviewing VEVOR's power washer that runs on a battery. This will be a great tool when you don't have access to electricity or water valve because it runs on 20-volt battery. Let me show you what comes with this package. It comes with 3 different nozzles. This one you can use it under the engine for tight spot and you can change the angle like this. This one you can use it like a brush and you can make it more narrow or open. And this one is one of my favorite. You can make it pointy or make it 15 degrees, 25 or 40, or make it like a shower or turbulence, and you can twist it to change the angle. Next, it comes with a foam cannon. It is small, so you're gonna have to fill it again twice or 3 times, but it will do the job. Next, a foldable bucket and also a hose. A water filter that goes on a hose like this, and it will stay under the bottom of the bucket because it has a weight, and also it has a one-way valve that's not gonna let the water get back to the bucket. Next, we have the handle itself and also the battery. You can check the battery level here. We still have 75%. Alright, let's put it together and test it out. You can also change the 3 modes here, but I already put it on 3rd one, which is the strongest one. Here is the extender that comes with it. Half twist and it will lock its place. But you can also put the valve like this without the extender. But I'm gonna put the extender first and then one of the valves. Okay, let's put the hose. And then we're gonna put this in a water bucket. So I'm not gonna use this one, I will use bigger bucket. Alright, let's put the other side of the hose on the gun and test it out. Okay, let's test the foam cannon. Alright, one of the things I don't like, because I left it like this and it was dripping, so if they had O-ring here so it doesn't leak like this, it would be better. But I washed the whole car and I still have 50% of the battery. So the power is not that bad compared to electrical one for being portable and powered by battery, but there are a few things I don't like about it. First of all, the prying time takes a bit long till it suctions the water from the bucket till it gets to the handle. But you can solve that problem by connecting this hose to the water valve, so you're not gonna have that problem again. The foam cannon works good, but you're gonna have to be aware of not falling on a side, otherwise it will empty the whole shampoo. It also comes with this case. You can store all that in this case and put it in a truck, and you can use it whenever and wherever you want. So let me know what else I should do with this power washer. Product link will be in the video description box below if you wanna check it out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.